everyone. My name is Leanne. I took digital imaging 1 last semester, and it was very fun. It was very interesting. I had a lot of fun in that class. Here in imaging 2, I'm also really excited to take this class because it's a lot of more, um, it's not really the same stuff. It correlates to what I learned last semester, but this time it's more advanced and it's more sophisticated. I think that's the word to use. Yeah, I'm really excited to learn about everything in this course this semester. Something that's really caught my eye was website mockups and movie posters and also stamp stories. I'm very excited to learn about those things this semester, and I feel like that they would help later in the future, um, because website mockups and movie posters, they require a lot of editing. Editing images is also an important part of graphic design, especially in the field that I want to go into. So, yeah. Um, but other than my last digital imaging course is some experience that I've had. I've also practiced a little bit outside of class. I didn't really submit anything for anyone yet, but I was just practicing on my own and just figuring out how the tools work still, and editing my own images. I don't have them with me at the moment, but some fun stuff, and share a little bit what energizes interests. Well, I like photography. That's because I took photography last semester also, and it was really fun. So I pretty much gained a new hobby, photography. so I like painting, drawing. I like all kinds of art, even digital art. Um, I like playing Animal Crossing, and what else? Well, other than that, that's all I have to say for now. I hope you all have a great semester, and if I had you last semester too, hello again, and hope you also have a good semester.